Okay, so this video is going to show you how to take an existing Facebook ad that has lots of likes, lots of comments, lots of shares, and then take that and use it in another campaign. So those likes, shares, and comments go across with that ad. So you can kind of start collecting likes, comments, and shares. Because if you create a new ad, then you've got to start again with new likes, new comments, and new shares. So the idea is that you create a single ad, you run a campaign, and then you can take the ad ID for that ad and you can put that in any new campaign you like, and that ad will then go across. Now, there's a few caveats with this. If you ever edit that ad, like you change the text or change the image, the likes, comments, and shares go back to zero. And so it starts again. So when you do have an ad that's working, you cannot edit that ad at all. And if you do, it resets back to zero. So the way you do this, let's just take this campaign here. Let's just do this one here. So I've clicked on the campaign and you can see my ad sets. If you look here, I have an ad set here called master, and I do this all the time. So I make a master ad, and then I use that ad ID in all of the other ad sets. So if I click on the ad set with all the master ads, you'll see that there's one master ad here. And I've just called it master ad. I just chose that as to be the master ad. Now the ad ID here is not the ad ID that you should be using, okay? That is the wrong one. So you can see that there's an ad here. It's got everything. The way you get the ad ID is you click on this button here. You click there, and you go to Facebook post with comments. So you click there. It'll open up the ad in Facebook, and this last number here is the actual ad ID that you need to copy and reuse, okay? So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Facebook Ads Manager. And so let's just say I go somewhere else. I go to another campaign, or I could even go to the same campaign and go to a different ad set. And I can create a new ad in the ad set. Create new ad. There's the ad there. Now, the way you use it, I can obviously enter new details for a new ad, or I can go up here where it says create ad or use existing post. So I click on use existing post. I click enter post ID. I paste it in. I click submit. Whoop, I just need to use the right Facebook page, which is sales driven. It was trying to take the ad from a different page, and it said to me, well, you don't have an ad with that post ID in that account. So if I try again, you'll find it. And you can see that there's the ad. It's copied it. There's a couple of likes, and I don't know if there's any comments, but you can see that that person there liked it and one other. So that's carried everything across. So that is how you use an ad ID or a post ID in another campaign, so you can collect likes, comments, and shares, and kind of build social proof around one ad. If you've ever seen an ad with 30,000 likes or 10,000 shares, it's not off one campaign. They're reusing that ad across multiple campaigns, and that's how they keep collecting it.